Hey guys, welcome back. Yesterday we made a video on Paranoid Android for OnePlus 6 and 60, and today in this video I'll show you how to install that same ROM on your device. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let me show you. Right now my device is running on the stable build of Oxygen OS, which is 10.3.2. And guys, before installing this, make sure to take a backup of your device. And in this video I won't be showing you how to unlock the bootloader. If you guys are not aware about unlocking bootloader, a dedicated video will be given in the description below. If your device bootloader is not unlocked, follow the video given in the description below. And if it is unlocked, then first go to settings, about section, tap on the build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. After that, go back, go to system, developer options, and here you can see OEM unlocking. I can't disable it now because bootloader is already unlocked. After that, enable advanced reboot and USB debugging. Once you enable all these options, connect your device to PC. After that, you need few files. So let me show you those files. One will be the ADB setup file. That's an exe file. Link will be given in description below. You can install it normally. It's a exe file. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you install ADB, you can find the ADB folder inside your C drive. So here I have my subfolders of different devices, wherein today I'll be installing Paranoid Android on my OnePlus 60. So I have placed all the required files here. So these are the required files. One will be the ROM file, second one will be TWRP zip file, and the third one will be TWRP image file. You don't need Google App package. This ROM already comes with preloaded Google Apps. Once you have downloaded all these files, what you need to do is you need to boot your device into fast boot mode. If you have enabled advanced reboot, long press the power key, tap on bootloader. After your device boots into fast boot mode, here you can see device state is unlocked. So we have already unlocked the bootloader. Now what you need to do is, first we need to boot a device into TWRP recovery. So make sure you open command prompt where you have placed all these files. These files should be placed inside ADB folder. It doesn't matter if you have created any subfolder. So right now you can see under ADB, then we have a subfolder of OnePlus 60 in which I have placed all these files. So we'll open up command prompt here. To open command prompt, simplest way is in the address bar type CMD and hit enter. Here you can see inside the C folder ADB OnePlus 60 we have opened command prompt. Now first step is to check whether a device is properly connected in fast boot mode or not. For that, give a command fast boot devices and hit enter. If you see this serial number after hitting enter, that means your device is properly connected in fast boot mode. Now the next step is to boot a device into TWRP recovery. For that, what you need to do is copy this name, Ctrl C, open up command prompt, and here give a command which is fast boot boot and paste the name of recovery. You can paste the recovery name just by single right click. Add .img because it's an image file and hit enter. If you don't get any error over here, then your device will successfully boot into TWRP recovery. Here you can see a device successfully booted into TWRP recovery. Swipe to allow modification. Now first step, what you need to do is go to wipe, format data, type yes and hit this blue tick mark. Once this process is successfully done, go to the main home page of recovery, tap on reboot, and right now you can see my current slot is slot B. Inside reboot, tap on bootloader. Once again we are back into bootloader. Now again we'll give the same command of booting a device into TWRP recovery. So use the same command fast boot boot followed by the recovery name. Hit enter. We are again back into TWRP recovery. Now you need to copy these two files and place it inside the internal storage of your device. Once you have copied those files can be found inside the internal storage. You can tap on install and here we have both the files. So one is the ROM file and second one is the TWRP zip file. This will avoid replacing of different recovery after booting up the ROM. And let me also show you, we are still on slot B. Go to install. Now we'll install the Paranoid ROM. Select that, swipe to confirm flash. This process might take 3 to 4 minutes. So now we have successfully flashed the ROM file. Now go again to the main screen of TWRP recovery. Again go to install, and now we'll flash the TWRP zip file. So I have to confirm flash. Once you have successfully flashed the TWRP zip file, you can just hit reboot system and boot your device. Initial boot up will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Once your device boots up, you can complete the initial setup. And here you can see we have successfully booted up our device. Google applications are already pre-installed. Let me show you the software information by going to settings, about phone. Under Android version, you can see Android version is 10, Paranoid Android, and the security patch is 5th April 2020. So guys, this way you can install Paranoid Android on your OnePlus 6 and 6T. And if you haven't checked out a review video of Paranoid Android, link will be given in the description below. Make sure to check that out. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.